Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with two essentials: a save file and a backup so you can undo mistakes. First, open My League or My NBA and pause at the main settings screen. This is where trade control lives. Once there, navigate to league settings and then to transaction options. Don't skip it, because trades can auto-apply. Make the change now to prevent AI deals. These first steps lock the rest of the process into place and reduce risk of unexpected roster swings. Now you'll change the core options. Turn off Allow Trades or switch trade handling to manual so you control every move. Also, disable Auto Process Trades and reduce AI trade frequency to 0%. This prevents background offers. Once done, save the settings, then simulate 1 week to confirm nothing auto-applies. Make sure to check trade history and the negotiation screen if proposals still appear. You'll catch them early and stop the engine before rosters change. Finish by locking in changes. Save your game after adjusting options and then fully exit. That writes the settings to the save file. If trades still happen, reload the backup, repeat the steps, and inspect any roster mods or Steam Workshop files that might override settings. Make sure to restart the console or PC because cached processes can ignore edits. One key troubleshooting tip: if trades persist after all this, delete or disable custom roster files. Those often force trades despite your settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.